Witness the birth of pure Italian performance as raw premium materials arrive to become the legendary Ducati Panigale V4.
Every Ducati Panigale V4 begins with the finest aerospace-grade carbon fiber. Ducati Panigale.
Precision starts here. Only flawless alloy tubes are selected to form the heart of the Ducati Panigale V4's legendary chassis. Thousands of meticulously sourced components from around the world converge in Bologna, ready to be transformed into the most advanced superbike on the planet. Premium braking components are cataloged with precision, ensuring every part meets Ducati's uncompromising standards before entering production.
Every titanium component undergoes rigorous dimensional checks to guarantee the signature Ducati exhaust note and performance.
Carbon fiber sheets are prepared with surgical care, setting the foundation for the Ducati Panigale V4's aerodynamic fairings.
Advanced Erlen suspension units arrive directly from Sweden, destined for the fully adjustable setup of the flagship Ducati Panigale V4.
Lightweight magnesium wheels are inspected with extreme detail to ensure perfect balance and strength at extreme speeds. Complex wiring and advanced electronic modules are sorted and prepared for integration into the Ducati Panigale V4's sophisticated systems.
Race-derived Pirelli tires arrive. Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engineered to deliver ultimate grip for the verified.
Every premium component is traced and verified, ensuring authenticity and quality throughout the Ducati Panigale V4 build.
Akrapovic exhaust systems arrive, offering even greater power and the purest Ducati sound.
Nothing enters the assembly line without passing Ducati's relentless quality gateway.
With every premium material inspected and ready, the transformation into the ultimate Ducati Panigale V4 is about to begin.
Now the magic truly begins. The legendary red trellis frame of the Ducati Panigale V4 takes shape in the heart of Bologna.
This signature trellis design isn't just beautiful. It's the structural genius that makes the Ducati Panigale V4. Master welders join steel with surgical accuracy, creating seamless bonds stronger than the material itself.
Parallel construction ensures each Ducati Panigale V4 frame receives the same flawless craftsmanship that Ducati is famous for.
Non-destructive testing confirms every weld meets racing standards before the frame progresses further.
Post-treatment, the frame achieves optimal strength and stability, ready for final finishing. Meticulous surface preparation ensures the iconic Ducati red powder coat adheres perfectly for lasting beauty. The iconic red finish cures to perfection, giving the Ducati Panigale V4 frame its unmistakable identity.
Laser verification confirms zero deviation from design specifications after coating.
Each finished chassis stands as a work of Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engineering art, ready to receive the heart of the beast.
A fleet of perfect chassis awaits, signaling the transition to the core of Ducati performance.
Precision bearings are installed with exact force, ensuring silky steering feel at any speed.
Every mounting point is reinforced and secured, ready for the aerodynamic bodywork ahead. With the backbone complete, the Ducati Panigale V4 begins its transformation into a complete masterpiece. Step inside the legendary Ducati factory in Bologna, where hundreds of skilled artisans arrive each day, bringing decades of expertise to breathe life into the ultimate superbike. From the historic streets of Bologna, the factory pulses with activity as the day's production of the Ducati Panigale V4 begins.
Crossing the threshold into the heart of Ducati, where Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engineering dreams become reality on the Panigale V4 assembly.
Every shift begins with rigorous safety protocols, safeguarding both Ducati uniformed workers and the flawless Ducati Panigale V4 frames. The meticulously organized whole reflects Ducati's commitment to excellence in every detail of Panigale V4 production. Daily targets are set and communicated, aligning the entire team toward perfect execution. Specialized zones maintain pristine conditions for the advanced electronic systems that define modern superbike performance. With all materials secured, the factory fully commits to transforming raw components into the iconic Ducati Panigale V4.
Leadership ensures every station is perfectly prepared before the precise assembly process begins.
Racing heritage fuels daily motivation, reminding everyone they build champions for the road and track.
Easy now, easy. Okay, stop, right there.
Internal logistics flow seamlessly, delivering parts exactly when and where needed for uninterrupted production. Shift transition completes smoothly, maintaining continuous momentum in Ducati Panigale V4 creation.
Dobbiamo assicurarci che il telaio sia perfetto per questa edizione limitata. Controllate le specifiche.
Detailed planning ensures
Advanced climate control protects sensitive components throughout the entire assembly process. History and future converge here, where every Ducati Panigale V4 carries the weight of racing glory. The stage is set, every element aligned for the precise birth of the ultimate Ducati Panigale V4.
With the factory fully alive, the critical marriage of chassis and Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine marks the true beginning of each Superbike's journey.
The real intelligence begins here. Öhlins semi-active Sachiwa suspendal is meticulously built. Brembo's most powerful road calipers are pre-assembled with racing precision, ready to provide unstoppable stopping power for the Panigale V4.
Race-derived Marchesino wheels and Pirelli tires are united, forming the critical contact patch that transfers all 214 horsepower to the road.
The single swing arm, the single-headed swing arm, and Ducati Panigale V4 heavy engineering icon is constructed with exacting tolerances for
Advanced braking rotors are built in parallel, offering either steel or optional carbon ceramic performance for the demanding Ducati Panigale V4 rider. Triple clamp and steering components are prepared to ensure feather-light yet rock-solid front-end feel. The nervous system of the Ducati Panigale V4 is carefully constructed, linking every sensor to the advanced Bosch electronics package. Each Öhlins rear shock is individually calibrated, delivering perfect balance between comfort and razor-sharp handling. Quick-release fuel systems are built and tested, ensuring reliable delivery to the mighty V4 Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine.
Rider interface components are pre-assembled, placing total control literally in the pilot's hands. Breathing system optimized for maximum volumetric efficiency at redline.
Signature exhaust note begins with precisely crafted headers tuned for performance and sound.
Every critical subsystem stands ready, perfectly prepared for integration with the red trellis frame.
Flawless internal logistics deliver components in perfect sequence for uninterrupted flow.
Nothing proceeds without final sub-assembly verification, upholding Ducati's legendary standards. You two did work great. With every subsystem masterfully prepared, the stage is set for the most powerful production V4 Ducati.
The beating heart awakens. Assembly of the most powerful production MotoGP-derived V4 Ducati Panigale. This 90-degree V4 crankshaft, counter-rotating for reduced inertia, forms the core that delivers explosive 200...
Lightweight forged pistons are mated with titanium connecting rods. Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engineered for extreme revs up to 16,000 RPM. Bases unite with exact torque values, sealing in the foundation of relentless power delivery.
Ducati's legendary Desmosedici valve actuation is assembled, eliminating valve float for unmatched high RPM performance.
MotoGP-derived cylinder heads bring variable valve timing and extreme breathing efficiency to every Panigale V4. Millimeter-perfect timing ensures the V4 fires with surgical precision across its entire rev range.
Advanced lubrication and cooling systems are integrated, managing extreme thermal loads during track use.
Quick shift-enabled transmission is built for lightning-fast, seamless shifts under full power.
Multi-plate oil bath clutch delivers massive torque capacity with feather-light lever feel.
Electrical generation and starting systems complete the self-contained power unit.
Each Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine stands ready for individual validation before meeting its destined chassis.
Cold validation confirms mechanical integrity before full power testing.
Full power verification unleashes over 214 horsepower, confirming every Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine exceeds expectations.
Approved.
Only Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engines meeting the strictest criteria earn the right to power a Ducati Panigale V4.
A squadron of proven power plants stands ready to transform frames into living superbikes.
The moment of truth approaches, the fusion of chassis and Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine that defines every Ducati Panigale V4.
With perfect alignment, the most advanced V4 Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine ever produced unites with its iconic red backbone.
With power and structure united, the aerodynamic masterpiece begins. The iconic carbon fiber
Aerospace-grade carbon fiber panels, lighter than aluminum yet incredibly strong, define the aggressive silhouette that
Every curve and vent is wind tunnel optimized, channeling air for downforce and Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engine cooling on the Panigale V4.
integrated lower aerodynamics complete the full enclosure, protecting components while enhancing high-speed stability. Signature LED headlights with aggressive brow design pierce the darkness, giving the Ducati Panigale V4 its unmistakable face.
Aerodynamically shaped windshield reduces drag while protecting the rider at triple-digit speeds.
Functional yet stylish mirrors complete the road-legal requirements without compromising racing aesthetics. Sculpted tail unit maintains the razor-sharp lines that make the Panigale V4 instantly recognizable from any angle. Iconic tank shape not only holds fuel, but contributes to central mass concentration for agile handling. Official graphics and warning labels complete the factory-fresh appearance of every Panigale V4.
Factory protection stripped away, unveiling the pristine glory of the completed bodywork.
Full visual harmony confirmed. The Ducati Panigale V4 now wears its skin with flawless aggression.
The transcription features narration aligning with the provided script, detailing the transition of the Ducati Panigale V4 from aerodynamic.
Now the brain comes alive. Advanced electronics integrate to make the Ducati Panigale V4 one of the most sophisticated superbikes ever built.
Miles of perfectly shielded wiring weave through the frame, linking every sensor and system with zero interference for flawless operation.
6-axis IMU and racing-derived ECU form the central nervous system, enabling cornering ABS, traction control, and wheelie management.
5-inch color TFT becomes the rider's command center, displaying everything from lean angle to gear position in crystal clarity. Ultra-precise sensors feed real-time data for seamless quick shifting and advanced rider aids. Intuitive controls allow instant switching between race, sport, and street modes, tailored to conditions.
Cornering ABS module integrates with IMU for life-saving intervention, even at extreme lean angles.
Full LED array not only looks aggressive, but provides superior visibility and reliability. Seamless connectivity turns the Panigale V4 into a data-rich extension of the rider's phone.
Comprehensive system check verifies perfect communication between every electronic component.
Electronics fully protected yet easily accessible, blending racing function with road practicality. Digital souls awakened. Each superbike now thinks, reacts, and protects its rider with cutting-edge intelligence.
Electronic throttle delivers instantaneous response, tuned for each ride mode.
Track-focused electronics package optimized for standing starts and deceleration control.
Semi-active suspension adjusts in milliseconds to road or track conditions.
Perfect harmony achieved. The Ducati Panigale V4 now possesses intelligence rivaling pure race machines. Perfection demands precision. Final alignment and finishing elevate the Ducati Panigale V4 from great to extraordinary. Millimeter-perfect front-end geometry ensures razor-sharp steering response and stability at any speed.
Precise chain and wheel alignment guarantees flawless power transfer and cornering confidence.
Custom sag settings optimize weight distribution for the perfect balance of agility and stability. Every bolt revisited with exact torque, ensuring nothing loosens under the most extreme track punishment.
Ultra-low vibration at redline demands perfectly balanced wheels for ultimate rider comfort.
Absolute brake integrity achieved. No air, perfect modulation from gentle trail braking to full race stop.
Temporary shields guard the flawless finish until delivery to the fortunate owner.
Controls positioned for intuitive access, whether on road or full race tuck.
Optimal pressures ensure immediate grip and predictable handling from the very first ride.
Alignment complete. Each Superbike now performs and looks exactly as Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engineers intended. Final safeguards in place before the Ducati Panigale V4 proves itself under power. With every detail perfected, only rigorous testing remains before these masterpieces leave Bologna.
Systems alive and flawless, the Ducati Panigale V4 stands ready for its ultimate validation.
Only the flawless survive. Rigorous quality control and testing ensure every Ducati Panigale V4 delivers legendary performance and reliability.
Advanced optical inspection confirms aerodynamic perfection and flawless fit of every carbon fiber panel.
Cylinder sealing verified to racing standards, guaranteeing sustained peak power without compromise.
Vital fluid circuits proven impermeable, ready for extreme thermal cycles on road or track.
Brembo braking performance validated for progressive feel and ultimate stopping power.
Complete electronic network confirmed flawless, from lights to advanced rider aids. Semi-active damping validated for instantaneous adaptation to any riding condition.
Full power verification unleashes the promised 214 plus horsepower with perfect delivery.
Signature Ducati sound preserved while meeting global standards effortlessly.
Complete weather sealing proven. Electronics and components protected in any condition.
Refined NVH levels ensure exhilarating yet comfortable experience at speed.
Real-world feel confirmed. Handling lives up to the legendary Ducati reputation.
Only the perfect pass. Each Superbike now certified worthy of the Ducati name.
Ultimate human oversight ensures no detail escapes before release.
Complete history travels with each Panigale V4, proof of its validated excellence.
Testing conquered, these ultimate Superbikes now prepare for their journey to riders worldwide. The mark of perfection earned, the Ducati Panigale V4 ready for its final factory touches. With quality unquestionable, the final chapter begins. Delivery of dreams to passionate owners everywhere.
Perfection preserved, final packaging ensures every Ducati Panigale V4 arrives at its owner in flawless, factory-fresh condition.
Suspension and wheels immobilized to prevent any movement during global shipping.
Custom crate Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike. Engineered specifically for the Panigale V4 silhouette, cradles the Superbike like a jewel.
Crate sealed with precision, ready for secure international transport.
Safe elevation begins the journey from factory floor to warehouse storage. Finished masterpieces await their destined owners in perfect preservation. Professional loading ensures zero movement across oceans and continents.
Sealed and secure, Another batch of ultimate superbikes begins their global journey.
From raw materials to masterpiece, this is the complete journey of pure performance.
If this epic journey of Italian Ducati Panigale V4 heavy bike engineering thrilled you, like this video and comment which superbike we should build next.
Subscribe and hit the bell. Join us for more real factory breakdowns of the world's greatest machines.
Precision is everything here. Every component is placed with the utmost care. And this is how modern factories...
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.